You know well the feeling. You walk into a crowded store, thrifted or not, and your mind blocks. You try to figure out what is it. You're trying to find, nothing pops up. For such cases, I use the UByDesign digital wardrobe app, where I store digital versions the items I am contemplating to buy. When I am inside a shop, I keep my phone close at hand so I can easily consult it, not only regarding the type of items I want to buy, but also the color, shade, or print, cut, season. In this video, I will show you how I do it. Let's take, for instance, this photo I found on Instagram. I totally loved how the skirt matches the otherwise casual style of the outfit. I'd never consider buying mid-length leopard print skirt until now. So I decided I'm gonna find one, but I didn't want to splash lots of money on it because I didn't plan to wear it often. It's definitely going to be a second-hand purchase. I search for images of skirts with leopard prints. Most are with models. Well, here's one without, but it's not what I want. Here, this one is exactly what I need. I can't save only the image, so I make a screenshot of the whole screen. Let me open the UByDesign app. I open a skirt I have and copy it as a new item. For a photo of the new item, I navigate to the newly created screenshot. Here it is. Let's see how AutoCut will work on it. It's brilliant in terms of cut. However, the photo seems to have lots of blank space. Let's remove it with manual cut. Here it is. Now we can fill in some data about our items. Most important of all, mark it as unavailable. This will allow us to filter for the item and hide it during all the time we will be using the app as usual. However, when we are shopping, we can easily filter the items by availability and have only those that are not available displayed in the item grid. This way, you always have a personal assistant to remind you what is it you are looking for. Thank you for watching the video, and enjoy your copy of the UByDesign digital wardrobe app.